everyone, welcome to our channel. If you are experiencing YouTube lagging on your PC, then we are here with some several steps to fix this issue. So let's get started. Firstly, all you have to do is go to the new tab of your Google on your web browser. All you have to do is go to the new page and tap on the three dots available in the top right corner. After that, tap on the clear browsing data. After that, all you have to do is clear all the unnecessary data from the Chrome browser. Now, after clearing all the data, all you have to do is tap on the extensions option available in the list of left side. You can see there is an extensions option available. Tap on it. Now, if you see any unnecessary or any unused extension over there, then simply tap on the remove icon available there and remove it. After you remove it, the YouTube will start working smoothly. So that is it, guys. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.